A be any event and probability of occurring the event A is small p. Suppose x be the number of occurrences of A in an interval in a time interval in a time interval interval of length t, or equivalently we can write in the interval 0 comma t. Capital A be any event and probability of occurring the event is small p. Suppose x be the number of times the event A has occurred in an interval of length t, or in the interval 0 comma t. In that case, here x follows Poisson distribution with parameter lambda into t. So therefore, probability of I occurrences of the event A, probability x equal to I, that is e to the power minus lambda t whole to the power I by I factorial. I will take the value 0, 1, 2 up to infinity. Now what is lambda here? Where lambda is equal to lambda is the average number of occurrences is the average number occurrences of lambda is the average number of occurrences of A per unit time. Okay, so this is another structure of Poisson distribution. So when we'll use this distribution, Suppose A is any event and probability of the event is P, that is not required though. Suppose X be the number of occurrences of the event A in the interval 0, t or in an interval of length t, then X will follow Poisson distribution with parameter lambda into t. Lambda t is the length of the interval and lambda is the average number of occurrences of the event per unit time. So probability X equal to I, that will be e to the power minus lambda t whole to the power I by factorial I. So let us try to solve a problem of this kind. Suppose let us consider this problem. If there is a war in every if there is a war in every 15 years, what will be the probability? What is the probability what is the probability that there will be no war in next 25 years? Okay, if there is a war in every 15 years, what will be the probability that there will be no year in next 25 years? So let us now try to find the solution of this problem. So here we are interested in the number of wars. Okay, so here we are defining let capital X be the number of wars in the next 25 years, that is x be the number of words in 0 comma 25, in the time interval 0 comma 25, since we are interested in the number of words in the next 25 years. So x be the number of words in the interval 0 comma t. So as it is very clear, what is the value of t here? T is 25. Next we need to find the value of lambda. So there is a war in every 15 years. So what will be the number of war? So lambda is here. Lambda is equal to the average number of words average number the average number of words in each year so that will be, so there is a war in every 15 years, so 15 years one war, so in 1 year what will be the number of words? 1 by 15. So that's the value of lambda. So here what we'll get, x follows Poisson distribution, so therefore probability x is equal to I e to the power of minus lambda into t, that is 1 by 15 into 25 into 25 by 15 whole to the power I by factorial I will take the value 0, 1, 2 up to infinity. Now what we need to find? There is no war in next 25 years. So this implies probability no war means x equal to 0. X equal to 0, that will be actually e to the power minus 25 by 15, 25 by 15 whole to the power 0 by factorial 0. So ultimately what is getting? E to the power minus 25 by 15, that is 5 by, okay, 5 by 3. So that's the probability that there will be no war in the next 25 years. Next, let us try to solve this one. A radioactive source emits emits on the average two point five particles 2.5 particles per second. 2.5 particles per second. Find the probability that three or more particles will be emitted in the interval of 4 seconds. In the interval of 4 seconds. Find the probability that three or more particles will be emitted in the interval of 4 seconds. So try to find the solution. So for a radioactive source emits particles and on an average 2.5 particles per second. Let us define a random variable. We are interested in number of particles emitted. So let x be the number of particles emitted in an interval of 4 seconds or in the interval 0, 4. Let x be the number of particles emitted in the interval 0, 4. So obviously what is the value of t here? T is equal to 4. Now lambda is equal to average number of particles per second. Average number of particles per second, so that is 2.5. So therefore x follows Poisson distribution. X follows Poisson distribution with mu is equal to lambda into t. So what is the value coming? Lambda into tt is equal to 4 into 2.5. It's coming to be 10. Therefore, probability x is equal to I, that is e to the power minus lambda t, that is 10, 10 to the power I by factorial I takes the value 0, 1, 2 up to infinity. Now what you need to find? 3 or more particles emitted. So probability x greater than or equal to 3. Now x greater than or equal to 3 means x can take the value 3, 4, 5, 6 up to infinity. So I don't want to add that infinite number of quantities. So if we take the complement of this, what we'll get? Probability x strictly less than 3, since equality sign is included here. So this is coming to be 1 minus probability x equal to 0 x equal to 2. So this is 1 minus e to the power minus 10. We can take common, since in every probability x equal to 0, e to the power minus 10 will be there. Probability x equal to 1, e to the power minus 10 will be there. Probability x equal to 2, e to the power minus 10 will be there. So I'm taking that common. Now e to the power minus 10, 10 to the power 0 by factorial 0, that is 1, plus 10 to the power 1 by 1, that is 10, plus 10 to the power 2, that is 100, 100 by factorial 2 is 2, that is 50. So what we are getting? 1 minus 61 into e to the power minus 10. That's the required answer. So if you are having any confusion, please let me know. From this topic or